Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a current beauty favorites. I haven't done a favorites video in quite a while, you guys. It is crazy, I know. Before I get started into the video though, please subscribe to our channel if you're not yet part of our TSQUAD family. And also don't forget to turn on that post notification bell right next to it so YouTube will alert you when I do upload another video. Get to check out a dupe video that I recently did. And I also did a full face trying out Jeffree Star approved makeup, which is everything on my skin right now. So if you're interested in that, then go check those videos out. So we're just gonna jump into the beauty favorites because I don't have a lot of time and I also don't have a lot of batteries. So we're gonna jump into it. First of all, the last favorites video that I did upload, I mentioned a water bottle, and it has been months and months and months since that video. I mentioned like a to-go water bottle. You guys know that I am a fan, like a fan of cups like this. I don't know what are these called, tumbler cups? I have no idea what they're called. I think they're tumbler cups, I'm not sure, but I love cups like this that come with a lid and a straw. I feel like they're perfect to get like your daily intake of water, your vitamins, whatever. Really with this heat right now, I feel like they're just perfect to stay hydrated, and I feel like they're just, I don't know, they're like pretty to see, you know, and this cup literally makes me want to like throw water in there and drink it, you know what I mean? Next up, I want to talk about the Olay Luminous Whip with sunscreen, SPF 25. You guys have seen this in the last, I don't know, couple of get ready with me's where I tried this product out. I love this because not only is this right here, like this one specifically, this one is a primer, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen all in one. The sunscreen in it does not leave you a white cast. A lot of sunscreens usually tend to leave you a white cast. This one does not. It also says luminous. It's going to hydrate your skin very well, but it does not leave your face feeling luminous. It actually leaves your face feeling matte. And it is also a primer all in one. So you get everything in one, which is perfect. It's definitely more on the pricier side, I feel like, for the drugstore. This is $30 on Amazon, and if you get it at Ulta, it's around $40. I know it's a pricey as moisturizer, like I get it. But I really wanted to share with you guys because I have been loving it. I don't really wear sunscreen anymore because I only go in with this one, and then this one also acts as a primer for your makeup and a moisturizer. So what more do you want, you know? So huge shout out to Olay. I feel like Olay has some very bomb ass products that are very underrated. Not a lot of people talk about them. So huge shout out to the moisturizer. Next product I want to talk about is the P. Louise base. It took me quite a while to get my hands on this, not gonna lie. I actually have months and months and months with this P. Louise base. But if you guys know, I got pregnant and I stopped filming videos for quite a while, and I recently just got back and I'm on a roll. Yay, Tanya, go you. Guys, I've been using this non-stop. You definitely need like a dime size amount of this and you're good to go. This will make any eyeshadow pop like crazy. I'm obviously not wearing it today. I'm not wearing any like base or anything today, but if you're looking for a good eyeshadow base that's just going to make your eyeshadow stay in place, it's going to prolong the longevity of your eyeshadow, and it's just going to make the colors pop whether the palette sucks or not. This is like perfect. I do have mine in the shade Rumor 0.5, which is not my shade, you guys. This is definitely a little bit too light. It does make the shadows pop even more because of the color, but I wish I would have gone in like a shade darker, you know? Really such an iconic base. I feel like a lot of YouTubers use this, and I get why. Like first I was like, why is everyone talking about you? Like why? Like what are you gonna do for me, you know? But as soon as I tried it, and I suck at makeup, I'm not that good at eyeshadow, so yeah, I was very impressed with this. Huge shout out to this. Next up, I want to talk about the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer with purified water, jojoba, and vitamin E. I really want to share this one with you guys because if you guys do not want to splurge on this, I get it. This is pricey. It's pretty expensive, so you know. I definitely love this moisturizer because it doesn't feel heavy on my skin. I am combination skin. I do get oily throughout the day, so it feels perfect on my skin. It's like an everyday kind of moisturizer. It also has like a tacky base to it. It's not as tacky as an actual primer that I'm about to mention in a minute, but it does have like some type of like tackiness. It makes my makeup look beautiful as well. I wouldn't say this helps with the longevity of my makeup like an actual primer would do, but if you're looking for a good moisturizer that's just going to save the bank for you, then I really recommend this one because like I said, I have been loving it. I have been using it. It's been one of my favorites, so Huge shout out to e.l.f. And talking about e.l.f., you guys, I want to talk about the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. You guys have seen me rave about this in so many videos already, and you guys are probably tired of me talking about it, so I'm just gonna like skim through it real quickly. But this has become one of my favorite things, and I recently just got it, you guys. I have a review and wear test on this primer already here on my channel in case you're interested. This is an exact dupe for the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. It has such a tacky base to it. It almost feels like glue, you know, or like candy in a sense. This will make your makeup last hours and hours and hours. It looks flawless. Your foundation is just going to look on point. It like erases your pores and it creates just such a beautiful canvas. It is what I'm wearing on my skin today, and I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but my skin looks pretty flawless, and I feel like it's because of the primer. Not only does this prolong the longevity of your makeup, but it's also going to create a super tacky gluey base for your foundation to stick on. So I've been obsessing over this. I feel like everyone should get it. I actually just ordered a second one. I need a backup, you know, because if this is limited edition, I'm gonna die. So e.l.f., if you're watching this, I mean, this needs to stay. Like, it needs to stay because this beats any $30 primer. Like, this will make your makeup last long. Next up, I want to talk about a product that I never thought I would share on my channel, but it recently has become one of my favorite products. This is the Master Blur Stick Pore Minimizing Tinted Primer in 120 by Maybelline. First of all, this doesn't really do much for my pores. I have my all-time favorite Revlon primer for my pores that I stand by and like I solely trust. I love this when I'm not wearing makeup and I just want to cover my redness, like my rosacea right here around my pore area, and I want to like even up my skin tone, if that makes sense. Like, that's what I like this for. It's perfect for that. It's perfect if you do not really wear makeup and you're just trying to even out your skin tone, because this does have a tint. It's also going to blur a tad bit your skin, but I wouldn't say it makes your pores like disappear completely, but it definitely does have like a blurring effect, and I love the tint. That's what I love about this product. Next up, I want to talk about a super budget friendly, because if you like to paint your nails like myself, but you don't have the money to go to the salon and get, you know, like, you know, bougie gel nails or anything like that, then this is going to be your lifesaver. So this is the Sally Hansen Instant Dry Top Coat. It's this one right here in the red bottle. I am obsessed with this. First of all, I do not know how to paint my nails like perfectly, you know, so I kind of suck at it. But I have been painting my own nails, you guys, and I am obsessed with this top coat because I usually hate waiting. Like, I'm not patient at all. So when I paint my nails, I want them to be like dried up instantly, you know, and this literally will do that for you. Like, this will dry up your nail polish in a matter of seconds. Like, it doesn't even take a minute or anything like that. I feel like once you apply it, they're completely dry, and they last a really long time on your fingers, like a really long time, and they're shiny too. So huge shout out to this top coat. Up next, I want to talk about the Jafra Rich Body Oil in Almond. If you're Latino, then I'm pretty sure you know Jafra. If not, you can literally find this on Amazon. I know on Amazon though, it's like over $100 for this, and it's insane. Like, do not buy it on Amazon. I don't know why it's so expensive on Amazon. This was gifted to me, you guys, but let's just say that whenever you guys see that type of like glow on my body, it's literally this right here. It's literally almond oil mixed in with the Cover FX glitter drops, which I've been loving. And as you guys can see, it looks so freaking beautiful. Look at that. You actually don't even need the Cover FX glitter drops. You can just use this like a body oil, and you can use highlight, like regular loose highlight or like a regular powder highlight. But I feel like what makes the glitter stick to my body, like the highlight, is actually the oil right here. Not only do I use it for my body, but I also use it for my belly. You guys know that I'm pregnant. My belly is growing. My ass is like, going apart. My belly is like, my body is just all over the place right now, you guys. And definitely I feel like this has helped with stretch marks. At the beginning, I wasn't using anything. I was starting to see a lot of like stretch marks on my body. And as soon as I started using this, I feel like it just leaves my skin feeling hydrated. Even though it's an oil, it doesn't make me feel greasy or oily at all whatsoever, which is a plus. Like, trust me, if you're oily skin, then you know you want to stay hydrated, but you don't want that like oily feeling. I get you. Huge shout out to this oil, even though it's like so expensive. Why is it so expensive? I have no idea. I have no idea. And lastly, you guys, it is a bag. I'm pretty sure if you guys follow me on social media, then you guys saw that I did buy the Louis Vuitton dupe bag from Amazon from the brand Daisy Rose. It is honestly a spot on dupe. It's perfect. I'm not gonna go bring it. It's actually in my room, but my camera is about to die, so I don't have much time left. But in the editing process, I'm gonna go ahead and insert a picture of the bag, and if you guys want to see it or something, just snap me and I'll go ahead and send you a Snapchat of the purse. It is high quality. When I tell you it's high quality, it's high quality. And don't think it's going to say like Louis Vuitton, you know, like it's not like an actual like dupe where it's like a replica or something like that. It looks exactly like it, but it's just a checkered bag. What I love about it is the quality. It's red from the inside, it's brown from the outside. I'm pretty sure you guys are able to tell with the pictures that I'm uploading here, but I'm not going to splurge on a $2,000 bag. Even if I had the money, I don't have the money, I'm not going to do that. But a lot of people here on YouTube have raved about this bag, the small, same bag, like the same style, but the small one, like for the cosmetics, like the makeup bag one, I guess. And I didn't want to get that small makeup bag because literally I don't go out with makeup on a daily basis. I actually wanted something super big that's just going to be perfect to carry Liam's stuff in. I do have a diaper bag for Liam, but I feel like sometimes I just, you know, when I want to look cute and glam, I want to take my purse, like a big white purse, and I wanted like a cute print, you know, something that doesn't look too cheap. The quality is perfect, like I said, and it fits so much stuff, you guys. Anyways, guys, those are my current beauty favorites. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs it up. Also, let me know in the comment section down below what is one of your beauty favorites. What is a product that you have been loving? A foundation, a concealer, a powder, an oil, a nail polish, just anything. Let me know. Let me know if you're going to pick any of these products up. Let me know if you love these cups. Hello. Yeah, let me know if you've tried anything that I mentioned. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.